Install Helm on Mac. We will install the CLI. Start with the real missing command. If Helm, use Homebrew to install Helm on macOS. Helm is now available and Zscache completions are ready for your shell. Check the exact Helm version before you build any chart. Then check which binary your shell is running. Create a clean demo folder in temp so this does not generate a starter chart with Helm create. Helm write the chart files exist, so now we can validate them. Run Helm Lint before you ship a chart. It catches 0 failed charts means the scaffold is valid. Render the chart locally with Helm template. No Kubernetes. The rendered YAML includes a service, deployment, and Helm labels. Package the chart into a TZ file, ready to share. Helm saved the packaged chart in the demo folder. Install, verify, create, lint, template, and package are all done.